Hello everyone, myself Anjali. My roll number is 244G1A0528. I am from CSCA section. Today I am telling about types of functions with arguments and return types. My subject name is Introduction to Programming and code number is 23CSC101. Types of function with arguments and return type. Introduction to functions. Functions are fundamental building blocks in programming. They allow for code reusability and modularity. Understanding the structure of functions is essential of effective programming. What are function arguments? Function arguments are values passed to functions when they are called. They provide input that the function can use to perform its operations. Different types of arguments can affect how a function behaves and what if returned. Types of function arguments. There are several types of function arguments, including positional and keyword arguments. Positional arguments are assigned based on their order in the function call. Keyword arguments allow for more flexibility by specifying which parameter is being set. Default arguments. Default arguments are predefined values for function parameters. They allow a function to be called with fewer arguments that it is defined to accept. This feature enhances the flexibility of function calls in programming. Variable length arguments. Variable length arguments allow a function to accept an arbitrary number of arguments. This is useful when the number of inputs is not known in advance. In many programming languages, this is achieved using special syntax or constructs. Return types of functions. The return types of a function specifies what type of value the function will return. It could be a single value, multiple values, or even no values at all void. The return type is often defined in the function signature in statically typed languages. It could be a single value, multiple values, or even no values at all. The return type is often defined in the function signature in statically typed languages. Functions with no return type. Functions that do not return a value are often referred to as void functions. They perform an action but do not provide feedback to the caller. Common examples include functions that modify global state. Function with single return type. Functions can return a single value of a specific type, such as integer or string. These functions are straightforward and are commonly used in programming. The return statement is used to send the value back to the caller. Functions with multiple return types. Some programming languages allow functions to return multiple values, often as a tuple. This feature can simplify code by bundling related data into one return value. It's particularly useful for functions that need to output several pieces of information. Conclusion. Understanding function, arguments, and return types are crucial for effective programming. Different types of functions allow the flexibility and code reusability. Mastery of these concepts will enhance your programming skills and problem-solving abilities. Different types of functions allow for flexibility and code reusability. Mastery of these concepts will enhance your programming skills and problem-solving abilities. This structure provides a comprehensive preview of functions with arguments and return types suitability for a presentation. Thank you for giving opportunity.